Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of truck accessories to help you find the perfect companion for your ride, the best truck bed toolbox. From durability to storage capacity, we'll explore the top contenders in the market. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more insightful content. Number 1. Rubbermaid's Action Packer 48 gallons lockable plastic storage bin is an industrial-grade solution for all your storage needs. This rugged container boasts a generous 48-gallon capacity, providing ample space for organizing tools, camping gear, or seasonal decorations. The lockable lid ensures security, while the durable plastic construction guarantees long-lasting performance, even in harsh environments. Whether you're hauling gear for an outdoor adventure or tidying up your garage, this versatile storage bin delivers unmatched durability and convenience. Say goodbye to flimsy storage solutions and hello to the reliability of Rubbermaid's Action Packer 48 gallons. Number 2. Undercover Swing Case Truck Bed Storage Box, specifically designed for Dodge Ram trucks from 2002 to 2020. This sleek and durable storage solution, fitting snugly on the driver's side, is a game-changer for truck owners. Its innovative swing-out design provides easy access to tools and gear, while keeping them secure and organized. Crafted from rugged materials and featuring a weather-resistant seal, the SC300D ensures your cargo stays protected from the elements. Installation is a breeze, requiring no drilling thanks to its custom-fit design. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a daily hauler, the undercover swing case enhances functionality and convenience, making it a must-have accessory for any Dodge Ram owner. Number 3. Arxon 49 Aluminum Diamond Plate Toolbox, a game-changer for truck owners seeking unparalleled durability and organization. Crafted with heavy-duty aluminum and fortified with a waterproof seal, this chest ensures your tools stay safe and dry in any weather condition. Equipped with a secure locking mechanism and keys, your valuables remain protected at all times. Its spacious interior and side handle design make accessing and transporting your equipment effortless. Whether you're hauling gear for work or embarking on an outdoor adventure, the Arxon 49 Toolbox is your ultimate storage solution, combining rugged reliability with unmatched convenience. Number 4. Byers Products 170-4315 Black Steel Underbody Truck Box, the ultimate solution for contractors seeking durable storage on the go. Crafted in the USA, this 24x24x 60-inch tool chest boasts unparalleled strength and security with its lockable T-handle latch. Perfect for organizing tools and equipment, its robust construction ensures longevity even in demanding job site conditions. From heavy-duty materials to thoughtful design, this underbody truck box is a testament to quality craftsmanship. Whether you're a professional contractor or a weekend warrior, the Byers Products 170-4315 delivers unmatched reliability, making it the go-to choice for those who demand the best in storage solutions. Number 5. Luke S&G 39" by 13" by 10" black aluminum heavy-duty pickup truck bed toolbox trailer storage box with lock and keys, the ultimate solution for organizing and securing your tools on the go. Crafted from durable aluminum, this sleek black toolbox offers ample storage space while standing up to the toughest of conditions. The heavy-duty construction ensures your tools stay safe and secure, whether you're on the road or at the work site. With its lock and keys, you can have peace of mind knowing your equipment is protected from theft. Plus, its convenient size fits perfectly in most truck beds or trailers, making it a must-have for any handyman or contractor. Upgrade your storage game with the Luke S&G Toolbox today. In conclusion, choosing the best truck bed toolbox is crucial for efficiency and organization. Whether it's for work or recreation, finding the perfect fit can make all the difference. I hope this video has provided valuable insights to help you make an informed decision. Thanks for watching, And please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like and share.